It's been deceivingly warm here in Wichita, Kansas over the last week. So warm, in fact, that we were out in the yard yesterday cleaning up plants and, looking at the buds popping through the ground, getting super excited. Anyway, we wake up this morning to a very freezing, blowing, bitterly cold snow/ice storm. I don't even know what to call it. So I want to show you a tip that I've used often through the years to keep the cold out. This also works in the summertime to keep the heat out, using just a few items that I swear, I promise you have in your home right now. So stick around to see this tip, how to keep the cold out, the heat out, with no money and very little time. So this window is particularly bad in the wintertime. I can run my hand down it and there is air coming through here. I don't know if this piece of paper will show it, but you can see it kind of blowing in the wind. And that comes in and it really, really affects us. So there's spots that the window or the door seals better than others, but this is always a problem for us. So to fix this crack, you're just going to need either trash bags, shopping bags, just something that's plastic and pliable, and a straight edge. Could be an old credit card, debit card, or just a thin spatula. Really anything that's kind of flexible and thin. So I just start with a bag, and it's even okay if the bag is a little bit loose. In fact, I think it's better. Open that bag up and start shoving it in. Just won't fit in and you don't want it sticking out. It's very, very easy to cut it down. And to shove it in as much as possible. So that's it. That's your quick and easy tip, how to keep the cold wind out with no money and using things that you already have around your home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.